Hello, today we are going to use paper on our cups. I do not use white water slide. I just use paper because it's cheap and it's what I have on hand. So all you're gonna need is Mod Podge of some sort. This is my no-name bigger package that I got at Michael's, I think it was. You need your piece of paper that has been cut out, see, just regular paper. I believe you can use cardstock too. I do use a laser printer, but I have heard that it works just the same. So I'm gonna put this on the bottom. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slop on some Mod Podge, put the decal on, and then slop on some more. So, there you go, like that. And then decal goes on around in the center. And then I just put a little more right on top. Careful because it will want to move on you. Nice thick coat like that. You'll let this dry and then you'll do, I usually do about 2 more of that just on top to make sure that it is really nice and sealed. If it's not sealed, you will get what almost looks like little oil spots when you put the epoxy in, and it will not go away when it dries. There you have it. That is it.